Hi guys, I'm Jigar Bagala. Last time we have discussed the introduction of module of Autodesk Inventor, part modeling, detail drawing and assembly. Today we will discuss the dashboard of Inventor. Dashboard means whenever we open the Inventor software, at that time the first screen we will see that is called dashboard. Let us go through the software. This is the icon of Inventor 2016. I'm having the 2016. You may have 2018. May have 2020, 2021, doesn't matter. Okay, just double click on the icon, then you will see the dashboard. If you open it first time after an installation, then it will take some more time, but later the time will reserve. After double click on the Inventor software, you will see the dashboard. Okay, as I told you, it having a different module like part, assembly, drawing and presentation. At the time of installation of this software, we have to decide whether we will go for a metric system or we will go for a each system. For example, at the time of installation, we have decided the each system. So after installation, we click on the parts, then part module, part template will select the each system. It is true for rest of the module also for assembly, drawing and presentation. But after installation, if you feel that if you want to go for a module, if you go for a metric system, then here we have an advanced tab. Click on the advanced tab, then another screen will pop up. It having a English, means having a each module, each template in for DWG, IDW, mold design, sheet metal. Another system having a metric, having a different template like ISO DWG, ISO IDW, GIS, mold design, sheet metal DIN, sheet metal Okay. If you go for a basic, then click on the basic again. Now, beside this model having a project. For example, if you wanna go for a project, one specific project, then click on the project and make your project. Beside the project, there is a software. For example, your specific project is saved in one particular folder, and if you need not to go that folder again and again, then make a shortcut path here and add this path here, so that you need not to go that folder again and again. It will save your time. Like that, having a add link, you can hyperlink the standard component like hex socket head cap screw, hex head bolt, nut, okay, circlip, etc, etc. Beside the shortcut, there is a file detail. What it show? For example, I will see this part. Then file details show you some detail like that its location, where it is located, where it is saved, its type, whether it is part file, whether it is drawing file, or it is assembly. Last date modify, date as well as its time, file size, okay, saved by 2016, part number, author. Okay, before the at the top side upper corner, it's having a flip. Now, if I will click flip, then what will happen? That file, your part file, drawing file, assembly file will come upside, and that template and that project shortcut and file detail will go downside. Beside the flip, there is a reset button. If you click on the reset, then again the entire screen will be reorganized automatically. Beside the reset, there is a maximize reset. If you click on the maximize reset, then only part file and drawing file you can see in the maximize screen. If you don't like this, then again click on the reset. Okay, again screen will reorganize automatically. Then there is another thing I will show you. This is one part that you need it frequently. Then click on that file, click to pin. Then only that part will come upside, so that you need not to find that part again and again. Just click on that part and you can make addition on that part. Okay. So these are the introduction of dashboard. Hope you enjoy the video. From next video we will see the part modeling. Bye.